the easiest way to get rid of key items in Breath of the Wild. Using IST, it can be sometimes difficult because you can duplicate key items such as Spirit Orbs or Korok Seeds. I'm going to load a clean file just so I have the setup ready. It's now super easy to get rid of key items using hold prompt entanglement. Actually, it's not really hold prompt entanglement, it's more of eat prompt entanglement, I guess. So you can see my setup file has 3 pages of food and the 2 key items, let's say I want to get rid of, even though you don't want to get rid of these. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over the one I want. We'll start with the paraglider, move 2 pages to the left, and go to the second column, or the 5th column, second row. Then I'm going to activate the invalid star, or invalid slot, just like that. I have a tutorial on my channel on how to do this, if you want to go check it out. Then I'm going to scroll 2 pages to the left to my materials tab. Head on over to the to the last one. Then I'm going to do right stick right, D-pad right, right stick left, D-pad right again. Just like that. Now I should be hovering over a fairy tonic. Go back. Go forward. Move over to the key items tab. And drink the paraglider. Paraglider no more. So until you save and reload, the paraglider will act as normal. I don't know if you'll get rid of the paraglider if you save and reload, but let's just not, just to be safe. Next, I'm going to get rid of the SHEIKAH slate. Same process. 2 pages to the left. Go to this fairy tonic. Set up the invalid slot. Scroll 2 pages. Tap left once. Then go D-pad right, D-pad left, D-pad left, D-pad right. And you should clip inside onto a bird egg. Even though I'm on top of a fairy tonic, which is bad. We need to update that. So we'll go left, and we'll go right. Now we're on a fairy tonic. Scroll to the SHEIKAH slate, and drink it. Isn't that tasty? Although, we can still use our runes. So if I go ahead and go into selfie mode, you can see Link is looking fresh and kind of contemplating life now. I made a video on my channel on how to hold the SHEIKAH slate and paraglider and cook them into a recipe, so you can go check that out too. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.